Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance. I wanted to talk to you about how much you should pay for an insurance policy, the amount that you generally would pay for an insurance policy, and how Elite Business Insurance could help save you money in all the right areas in insurance, make sure you're covered for all the right ways while paying the best price out there. Elite Business Insurance is a full service independent agency. So we shop you around. We find you the best coverage for the best price. We have access to thousands of markets across the nation. We write with only AM Best A-rated carriers, the best financially rated insurance carriers out there, and we write all lines of insurance. So we could be your one-stop insurance shop. So if you have personal auto insurance and you need a quote, you don't like the rate that you're paying, what we do is we take your information, we blast it out through all of our markets, all of our carriers, all of our brokers, and then we shop you around and we compete and we try to find you the best coverage for the best price. Now, throughout the year, insurance companies are always having rate increases, rate decreases. So by being with an independent agency like Elite Business Insurance, because we have access to many, many markets, we always shop you around. So every year upon renewal, every 6 months, whenever your policy is set to expire, we get in touch with all the carriers a month out in advance, 30 days before your policy expires, and we do all the shopping around, all the legwork for you, and it's no charge whatsoever. So if you purchase the insurance through our agency, then you have a personalized agent, you have 24/7 customer service, we can handle all of your insurance needs, rather than if you just purchased straight through the insurance company, you wouldn't have that one-on-one caretaker who would be able to handle all of your needs. You would have to call a 1-800 number, and you have to pay the exact same price. So you get more for your money by going through Elite Business Insurance. And then every 6 months, every 12 months, we shop you around depending on when your insurance expires to make sure we always put you with the carrier offering the most competitive rate at that time. So if you're dealing with personal auto insurance, the rates are going to differ based off of your age, if you're married, if you rent or own your home, what kind of vehicle you drive, your driving history, your record, your insurance history. All of these are factors that would play to the pricing of the auto insurance policy. If you're dealing with homeowners insurance, the factors that would change the price in a homeowner's policy would be the year the home was constructed, the type of construction of the home. Is it frame or masonry? What kind of roof do you have? Do you have tile? Do you have shingle? How old is the roof? Is it 15 years old? Is it a brand new roof? Is it 30 years old? What sort of safety features you have. If you have an alarm system, if you live in a gated community, if you have a fire protective system, if you have a pool, if you have dogs, animals, what sort of coverages you're looking for, what the value of your house is, because you want to cover the value of your house for full replacement costs, God forbid something happens to it. So these will all impact the rate. Now, if you're dealing with flood insurance, that's all state regulated price, and they basically take your address and the value of your house and where it is located, and they determine the flood zone of your property, and then depending on what sort of coverages you're looking for, regardless of what company you're written through, FEMA, the federal flood insurance, is going to set the price. So regardless of who you insure your home through regarding flood insurance, it's always going to be written through FEMA, and the price is the price with flood insurance. If you're dealing with business insurance, general liability, workers' comp, commercial auto, those prices will differ depending on what sort of business you have, how many years experience, how many employees, what your payroll is, what your gross sales, what sort of job are you doing? Are you working 120 feet in the air, or are you doing window cleaning on the ground level? So there's many different factors that determine all different insurance prices. So there's no set price to just throw out there and say, okay, this is what you're going to pay for insurance. It all depends on who you are, what exactly you're doing, what kind of insurance you're looking for, and then your actual situation at the time. So through Elite Business Insurance, we have specialists in every market. We have thousands of AM Best A-rated carriers. So you give us a call. Any questions that you have will be here for you, 24/7 customer service. And like I said, we take your information, we shop it out, we make sure we cover you for all the right ways. We make sure we explain the policy to you as thoroughly as possible so that you don't have any questions before you purchase it. And then we give you the best price possible. And then, like I said, every year we shop you around, make sure you're always paying the best price. So you get that one-on-one personal attention, you get the best price possible, you get the best coverages out there. So it's a win-win-win for everybody. We'd love to have you as a customer. Give us a call, give us a chance. Any information you need, we'll be here for you. 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.